We are created from sand, not dust. Dust in the Arabic language is ghubar. Dust is incorrect. Turab is sand. You know, there was a sandstorm. Do you actually see the sand or you see the ghubar? You see the dust. You don't see the sand. So that's the difference. Sand is when you go to a beach and you see sand. We're not created from ghubar or dust. We're created from sand. طيب. What's teen? Teen is sand mixed with water. So it becomes muddy. It's mud. Not clay. It's mud. Clay is salsal, the next step. Salsal min fakhar, then it's the next one. It's a clay that's shaped. There's stages of khalq Adam alayhi salam. And it's all in the Quran. It starts from sand mixed with water, and then it became mud, teen, and then the mud was shaped into a salsal and it was left to be hardened, and then it became like clay, and then it was shaped. خَلَقْنَاكُمْ ثُمَّ صَوَّرْنَاكُمْ. I made you, created you, and then I shaped you. Have you ever seen a video how babies, they literally grow and they're shaped, and then you can see like small dots resemble eyes, resemble nose, small dot resembles a mouth, and eventually it will develop into a mouth and a nose. And so this is how Allah shaped us, subhanahu wa ta'ala. And then after the statue was complete, نَفَخَ فِيهِ مِنْ رُوحِهِ, Allah blew for them the ruh of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala into the statue. This statue, suddenly it had pulse, it had blood, veins, breath, oxygen, life. And the minute life kicked in, he just went, achoo! He sneezed. So he said, Alhamdulillah. And Allah said, يَرْحَمُكَ رَبُّكَ يَا Adam. Allah will grant you mercy, Ya Adam. This is the first dialogue between your father and the Creator. Remember when you had your first baby? What was the first word that came out of your mouth when you saw your baby? You didn't know what to say. You were speechless. You were full of emotions. And that first sentence will reveal a lot of love towards this child. Allah Azza wa Jal, Almighty, all-powerful. Basically, He doesn't need us. We need Him. He just said, I'm going to grant you mercy. As if He's telling him, no matter what you do, just come and say sorry, and I'll forgive you. And when you promise you're not going to do it again, you have to be genuine and honest. He's promising me every single time, I'm going to make a lot of mistakes. That's fine. It's in your nature to make mistakes. Every time I will accept you. Wow. It's in your nature to make mistakes. Every time I will accept you. Wow.